The Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set 13-piece is designed for home cooks who prioritize healthy cooking, reliable performance, and thoughtful design without overwhelming their kitchen space. This cookware set brings together natural ceramic technology, durable construction, and user-focused features to create a dependable everyday cooking solution for small families and modern households. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. What immediately sets this cookware apart is its commitment to health and safety. Made from natural ceramic materials, the Sensarte cookware set is completely free from intentionally added PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. This ensures that no toxic fumes are released during cooking, even if the cookware is accidentally overheated. Unlike traditional nonstick coatings that may degrade over time, this ceramic surface is engineered to remain stable and safe, preventing any coating from flaking or leaching into food. The ceramic surface also delivers exceptional nonstick performance. The smooth coating allows food to release effortlessly, making cooking and cleanup significantly easier. Eggs slide cleanly across the surface, sauces do not cling, and delicate foods retain their texture and flavor. Because the cookware requires little to no oil, it supports healthier meal preparation while enhancing the natural taste of ingredients. This makes the set ideal for everyday cooking, from breakfast dishes to full family dinners. Durability and versatility are equally strong points of this cookware set. The stainless steel base ensures full compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, while the cast aluminum body promotes fast and even heat distribution. This consistent heating helps prevent hot spots, improves cooking precision, and reduces the risk of burning. The cookware is also oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for baking, roasting, and finishing dishes, provided the handle is removed before oven use. Designed with practicality in mind, this 13-piece cookware set is an excellent fit for small families and compact kitchens. It includes a carefully selected range of cookware pieces that cover essential cooking needs without unnecessary excess. The set features a 9.5-inch fry pan, an 11-inch sauté pan with lid, a 2.6-quart saucepan with lid, and a 4.7-quart casserole with lid. Silicone utensils are included to protect the ceramic surface, along with reusable pot protectors that help maintain the cookware's condition during storage. Comfort and safety during use are enhanced by the Stay Cool handle design. The wood-grain Bakelite handles are ergonomically shaped for a secure grip and remain cool to the touch during stovetop cooking. This reduces the risk of burns and improves overall control while cooking. The tempered glass lids allow you to monitor food as it cooks without lifting the lid, helping retain heat and moisture while preventing splashes on your stovetop. From an organizational standpoint, the inclusion of pot protectors demonstrates attention to long-term usability. These protect the ceramic surface when stacking cookware, extending its lifespan and preserving its appearance. This is particularly valuable for users with limited cabinet space who need to stack cookware efficiently. This cookware set stands out by offering a balance of health-conscious materials, strong performance, and practical design. It avoids unnecessary complexity while delivering everything needed for daily cooking tasks. The neutral beige-white finish adds a clean and modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into a variety of kitchen styles. The Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set is particularly well-suited for individuals and families who want to transition away from traditional nonstick cookware and invest in a safer alternative without sacrificing convenience. It is also an excellent choice for apartment dwellers, first-time homeowners, and anyone seeking a compact yet capable cookware solution. Overall, this cookware set delivers strong value by combining non-toxic materials, dependable cooking performance, and thoughtful accessories in one cohesive package. It is a reliable option for those looking to cook healthier meals with confidence and ease. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.